If you are spending all your time clicking Easy Apply on LinkedIn or refreshing job boards, you are fighting for crumbs. Statistics show that 80% of the best-paying jobs are never even posted online. They are filled behind closed doors before a job description is even written. While you're competing with 500 other applicants for one role, savvy professionals are using the backdoor strategy to walk straight into interviews for jobs that don't exist yet. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to find the hidden job market and how to make employers come to you. Why does the hidden job market exist? It's simple: risk. Hiring a stranger from the internet is a massive risk for a manager. It's expensive, it's slow, and 50% of the time, the new hire doesn't work out. Companies would much rather hire someone who is already in the circle or someone who solves a problem they haven't even announced yet. In 2026, skills matter more than degrees, but visibility matters more than skills. You need to become visible. Step 1. Stop looking for openings and start looking for pain points. Choose 5 companies you admire. Don't check their careers page. Instead, find the department head on LinkedIn. Don't send a resume, send a value bridge. It sounds like this: I noticed your team is expanding into Area X. I've recently helped a project achieve a specific result in this space, and I have 3 ideas on how you could optimize your current workflow. Are you open to a 10-minute chat? You aren't asking for a job, you're offering a solution. This moves you from the applicant pile to the expert advisor category immediately. Step 2. Information is currency. Reach out to people currently working in your target role. Ask them one specific question. What is the one skill your team is missing right now? When they answer, that is your golden ticket. You can now tailor your pitch to that specific manager. You're addressing a problem they are currently stressed about. You're not just a candidate, you're the answer to their prayers. The hidden job market isn't about being lucky, it's about being proactive. Stop waiting for an invitation to apply and start creating your own opportunities. If you want my templates, check the link in my description. If you're ready to start getting hired, hit that subscribe button. This is Career Shul. I'll see you in the next video.